Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Jennifer, and in this channel we talk about skincare tips, beauty tips, product review, and everything about skincare. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be reviewing this serum, this Pie Mie Vitamin C serum, this particular serum. I hope you can see it properly. This serum comes like this. It is a 30 ml vitamin C serum that has a black bottle like this. This is the bottle it came. The manufacturer on the body of the pack wrote that it's rich in vitamin C, whitening and brightening, moisturizing, and anti-acne. He said that this serum is anti-acne, meaning that if you have acne, this is gonna help you remove your acne. So, but in my review, my personal review, we are going to know if that's true or not. Opening it came with this dropper. You just have to press. This is the consistency, kind of thick. You see, that's the consistency. Kind of thick, but not all that thick. It's moderate. My experience with this serum since I started using it, it has helped to give me that plump, beautiful, smooth looking face. It has the ability to deeply moisturize your face and leave it looking so moisturized, hydrated, and healthy. The healthy look that my face got recently is amazing, and I love how my face is looking using this particular serum. Now, the serum doesn't really help in removing acne. I had to use this serum on my sister that has pimples and acne, but what I got was that it helped in reducing the pimple. After like 1 week plus, the pimples on her face drastically reduced, but the acne, the black spots on her face was still there. Maybe consistent use for a longer period of time will help in removing the dark spots, but as at the time of making this video, the acne, the black spots is still there, but the pimples has drastically reduced. That's it. Let me show you how I apply it every morning and every night. So what I do, I just use this dropper, get a little bit, rub here. Sometimes it will just refuse to drop. I just do it this way. Can I come and kill myself? So 3 to 4 drops is okay. I just go in and gently blend it into my skin. I do this immediately after cleansing. I've cleansed my face this morning. I gently rub it very close to my eyes because I don't want to have dark eye cycle or even an eye cycle. Some people have eye cycle even though it's not dark, but I really don't want to get at all. If you look at my eyes, you see that I don't have an eye cycle at all. And this is coming close to my eyes. I just do it this way instead of this way, because when you rub it this way, you are creating an eye cycle close. You see what I'm saying? So but when you do it this way, just here, not from here. Don't do it from here. You do it from here, you will get old very, very soon. You get old. So what I do is I just use this finger to do it this way, just to rub it. Do it this way too. Sometimes I just, that's a little exercise that I do to keep my eyes looking youthful and beautiful. So I just go from my cheek. I try to lift it up. I do the same. That's how I gently rub it into my skin, and it absorbs so quick, leaving my face very plump and very hydrated. Can you see? Can you see the glow, guys? Or more, this is beautiful. This is great. Like, I love this serum. This serum is one of the most affordable and most effective vitamin C serum in the market currently. This serum is amazing. It's very affordable and is very effective. When I got this, I'm like, this serum that is just 1,500 naira, is it gonna work? But after trying it for 1 week, I was amazed. Like, I love the fact that I finally got this serum and not any other one. There are so many good vitamin C serum in the market, like Dr. Rachel. Dr. Rachel is an amazing vitamin C serum that, if you don't mind, you can check that one out. I've made a review of Dr. Rachel vitamin C serum. You can as well check that video out on this channel, or I will leave it on my comment section so that you watch that particular video. Okay, so there are so many good vitamin C serums out there. Okay, so you can buy any one that you want, but this one is the one that I've used and I'm going to buy it again. I'm buying it for the second time. I'm gonna use it again. It's an amazing serum that is going to give you what you expect. Like, it's amazing. It works so well on my skin. So if you have used this serum, drop your review on the comment section. Let's see your own personal review. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do it to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done that already, and turn your post notifications on so that anytime I drop another video, you'll be notified. Do it to share this video to your friends. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye.